I just ate lunch here. The mall I want to show you is just down the road. I'm standing at the edge of the road across from Grand Mall Batam. The traffic is constant, with motorbikes weaving between cars and horns blaring. This is the only pedestrian crossing nearby, so I wait patiently for that one small gap to cross safely, without becoming part of the chaos. Good news is that there's a traffic marshal in the center of the road divider. I assume he will stop traffic on one side, so we can get across and do the same for the other side too. Awesome, I was right. This is great. If not, I'll be stuck waiting for traffic to slow down. There she is, standing magnificently, the Grand Mall Batam. Okay, let's just wait for our friend the traffic marshal to stop traffic again. Alright, let's get across. We're starting right at the main entrance of Grand Mall Batam. The tall glass facade greets shoppers with a wide atrium and bright signage. This mall is one of the most popular retail hubs in Batam, attracting thousands of locals and tourists every weekend. Let's head inside together. The lower ground floor houses a major supermarket anchor tenant, making it a popular stop for daily essentials. Many families start or end their mall visit here. This floor is also connected to several quick-service food outlets, making it a convenient entry point for both grocery and casual dining. You'll find a mix of international fast fashion brands like H&M and Uniqlo, along with well-known Indonesian labels. The layout has been carefully planned to keep anchor tenants on opposite ends. This design encourages foot traffic throughout the entire mall, ensuring smaller shops also get plenty of exposure. Grand Batam Mall officially opened on the 28th of April 2019, developed and managed by Tunas Group, a prominent Batam-based developer. In just a few years, it's become one of the island's most popular lifestyle and shopping hubs. Its modern design and strategic location make it easy to access and navigate. The upper floors feature a diverse mix of cafes, restaurants, and dessert shops. These spaces are open and airy, with seating that overlooks the main atrium. Whether it's coffee with friends or dinner with family, this area adds a warm and lively atmosphere to the overall mall experience. The mall features 5 levels with over 200 retail units, and can comfortably handle thousands of visitors each day. There's parking for around 1,300 cars and 1,500 motorcycles. The layout is bright and open, with escalators, lifts, and wide corridors that make movement inside smooth and pleasant. Grand Batam Mall is fully equipped with modern amenities, free Wi-Fi, prayer rooms, clean restrooms, and escalators on every floor. Pop-up bazaars, fashion shows, and cultural events happen regularly. This turns the mall into more than a shopping space. It's a lively social hub for the whole community. We've just made our way up through one of the wings, and now at the very top, you can see how lively it is. This side is lined with cafes and restaurants, perfect for relaxing after shopping. Now, let's head across to the other wing and see what's over there. As you can see, the top floor is filled with cafes and restaurants, giving visitors plenty of choices. Whether you want a full meal, a quick bite, or just a coffee, there's something for everyone. The open, bright layout makes it a comfortable space to relax and enjoy. I really respect Indonesia's rich culinary diversity. Here, you can find delicious dishes like bakso, bebek goreng, and nasi padang, each with its own unique flavor and story. Even the snacks are amazing. Every bite reflects a piece of Indonesia's culture, making eating here an experience, not just a meal. The CGV Cinemas on the entertainment level is a key anchor tenant, offering modern, comfortable theaters. This section also features arcade games and lifestyle outlets, creating a vibrant energy. Weekends here are always busy. Families, couples, and students come not just to shop but to spend time. That's it for the tour of the mall. From up here on the top floor, looking down at the central pavilion, you can really appreciate the mall's open and spacious design. The energy, the lights, and the flow of people create a lively atmosphere. Let's head down. I'm now at the pickup and drop-off area of Grand Batam Mall. This is where most visitors start and end their trip, with easy access for cars and motorbikes. It's designed for smooth traffic flow and quick stops. But before I leave, I want to show you what's outside the mall.
The fact that they managed to get rid of finally.
This is Jalan Baloy, a lively side road that runs right beside Grand Batam Mall. It stretches from Jalan Pembangunan to Jalan Baloy Garden. Unlike the polished mall interior, this road is full of local flavor. It's constantly busy with cars, motorbikes, and people moving through all day. On both sides of Jalan Baloy, you'll find small family-run shops, convenience stores, and street food stalls. They sell everything from snacks to clothing, mobile accessories, and daily essentials. It's the kind of street where locals do quick errands, grab lunch, or stop for their favorite cheap, tasty Batam snacks. Jalan Baloy shows the everyday heartbeat of Batam. The street isn't fancy, but it's real, packed with activity and character. The sounds of passing motorbikes, casual conversations, and the smell of sizzling food give it that typical Batam street vibe. It's the perfect contrast to the modern mall next door. Well, my Gojek is almost here. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for our next video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.